This is the solution video for section 6.5, problem number 1. All right, so I have the integral of 1 plus secant squared, right? So first thing we think, well, we've got a function inside of a function, and so then we're thinking 1 plus secant x is our u substitution, but that doesn't work. Why? Because the derivative of this, well, would be secant x tangent x, right? And no matter how I cut it, if I make that u squared, then I don't have a secant x tangent x dx, and so that does not work, right? So the next strategy would be to multiply this thing out, right? So 1 plus secant x squared would be 1 plus secant x times itself. And so I have 1 plus secant x times 1 plus another 1. So that's 2 secant x. And then plus secant times secant. So secant squared x, all integrated with respect to x. All right, so now I have 3 separate integrals, and I want to integrate them separately, right? So the integral of 1, that's just x, plus the integral of 2 times secant. Well, that would be 2 times the integral of secant. And the rule, remember, this is just a memorization thing, is the natural log of the absolute value of secant x plus tangent x plus the integral of secant squared of x, right? That's an old rule from section 6.2. That would be tangent x. And then, of course, plus c. So this one, yes, obviously starting it off, you have to multiply that out. But then it's just really a memorization quiz thing. All right, so that's